What's up, guys? Welcome back to your channel. One problem that I have with living in the country, yes, it's beautiful, but cell phone signal sucks so bad. I got a solution for you. Stay tuned to the video if you're interested. Roll the intro. Alright guys, so we went and purchased a cell phone booster. I tried at least 3 or 4 of these things out, and I think I finally found the one that I needed. Let's get to the overhead shot right about here. So this is the weBoost home cell phone signal booster. We'll do a little bit of a before and after on our devices right now. You can see strictly right now, I have 1 bar of cell phone service right now. 1 sticking bar, and that doesn't even do anything. I can't pull any data up with that. But this is the weBoost cell phone or building signal booster. This is 4G enabled, 3G enabled also. It says about a 65 dB gain in cell phone signal. You can use multi-carrier, so you ain't got to worry about getting one strictly for Verizon, strictly for AT&T, whoever uses AT&T, Sprint, etc., etc. The good thing about this one right here, it is it's not the omnidirectional one. It's the one where you have to go in and find the signal itself. The advantage of that is you can lock into a signal very good and get a very strong reception, rather than pulling from all around you and getting a somewhat weak reception. So how it works, it receives the signal, it boosts the signal, and it expands the signal. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You can see the coverage area. It has up to 5,000 square foot coverage. Depends on where you have it set at. We probably have it about outside, put on a pole. You can put it on your house on a pole, wherever. But inside the box, it says you get the signal booster itself, the inside antenna, the outside antenna, the coax cable, the window entry cable. That's definitely need that, and the power supply. So let's get into this package. Yanni, oh, I got it. So let's get into here and see what we got. Let's see what we got up in here. Open her up. Yeah, this thing locked up in there, don't it? Yeah, there we go. So, weBoost, very good reviews on Amazon. If you're interested in this actual cell phone booster, check the description. I'll put a link directly to my Amazon affiliate account. And remember, this video isn't sponsored, so whatever you buy from the Amazon affiliate account, I get a little teeny cut of it, but click that link if you're interested in that video. So that's the user manual right there. This is the inside antenna. So you place this inside your home. This acts as like a hub to receive the signal, and it boosts the signal and shoots it all around your house to amplify the cell signal. So that is that. Then you have your actual booster. This is the booster. This is the inside antenna. They give you the coax cable to do all that with. So we have that. Remove this little platform right here. And it's cool how they have this stuff that really laid out for people who aren't too tech savvy. It shows them the actual steps. This is the outside antenna. We have a pole already outside for the other one that I was trying, and we're just going to throw it on there. This is the outside antenna. It's a point outside toward the nearest cell phone tower to find the nearest tower using apps such as OpenSignal. And we'll do that in a few seconds, but yeah, let's go. Other than that, we have some mounting hardware, some screws, and I think I should more mounting hardware, and the actual power supply cable. This is the window entry antenna right here. Window entry antenna, and a bunch of coax cable. I don't need to take it out. You guys know what coax cable is. So we want to run a speed test right now and see what speeds we are currently getting. Let's move this out of the way. So step 1A, 1B. We got inside the antenna, outside the antenna. This is all the hardware that comes in the box. Pretty straightforward. But let's run a speed test right quick. If we go to fast.com, let's see, can we even pull this up right now? I have 2 bars right now, and that's only because of where I am in my bedroom. Any other place, I have 1 bar. So You see how long it's taking fast.com to come up right now, and it dropped back down to 1 bar already. Let's see how long this actually takes to pull up. But while that's doing that, let's situate that over there, that over there. Jesus is my doctor. We might not even be able to do a speed test because this is so freaking slow. As you can see, I'm not even able to open up this web page. Honestly, I don't feel like sitting here trying to do it. But once we install this actual cell phone booster, you will see an exponential growth in these bars and the upload and download time. So let's get outside and see, can we get this thing plugged up. All right, guys, so you can see I already have a pole up here where I'm going to mount my antenna. But the instruction says first to take your cell phone booster that you need most of the area boosted and set it up first. So follow me. All right, guys, so inside the antenna, showed you that one, coax cable, cell phone booster itself. What we're gonna do is take this coax cable, throw it right up in there, tighten it down. Really, really simple. If I can get up in there. Tighten that down. And you're gonna connect the other end in here. Pretty straightforward. It says, and place the inside antenna in a weak area at least 18 inches away from the booster. It says, do not connect the booster to power until the system is fully installed. I was about to plug it up. So we're gonna sit this antenna right up in here. Follow me this way. I'm just gonna sit this here for 1 second. Sit that there and bring this back over here. It said at least 18 inches. Social distancing, back up. 6 feet. Put that there. All right, so I got my pole mounted. Now all I'm gonna do is throw these bolts in here so she can stay up on this pole. It's best to elevate these antennas instead of directly putting them on the ground, or I don't see why you put an antenna on the ground, but some people aren't too, zealous when it comes to installation. So I'm gonna throw this up. We're gonna get the rest of the system put together. We'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm completely done installing the whole system. Let me show it to you. Come over here. So this is the inside antenna right here. This is the inside antenna. Come around. This is the actual booster itself right here. You can see we have maximum signal right here in the, if you can point out here, right about there is where my outside antenna is. But come over this way, guys. Come over this way. I want to show you right off the rip, and this isn't with any other, bring that camera over here. You see this right here? We're automatically at 3 bars right now, and this hasn't been optimized yet. I haven't optimized the system at all yet, and we're already at 3 bars. But the final test to this whole installation is to see what fast.com is saying. It popped up already. Freaking 4.2 megabytes per second. We were at 100 and something kilobytes. Now we're at 3.6 megabytes. Guys, the weBoost 4G cell phone booster works. It's not optimized yet, but you can already see it's boosted my signal times 10 already. If you have the money, this was about this much right here. If you have the cash, drop it on the system. I'm at 4 bars right now. Love it, get it. As usual, this is Tech Bacon, and we out.